and today I am super excited because I have some new animal toys to show you guys. And besides that, we also have dinosaurs, farm animals and sea animals. So let's get started. The first one which I'm going to show you guys will be this brand new horse which I just purchased today from my local Toys R Us. Very excited to show you guys, so let's unbox this. I've actually opened this up just now, so we have a nice horse figure right over here, and this comes with two collector's cards, one in English and one in Japanese. We shall take a look at this later on, but first let's have a look at the figure. So we have a horse figure, a white horse, so you can move the neck up and down. Very nice. You can't move the legs, but this looks pretty good. This guy is supposed to be able to stand on his hind legs like this, but it's kind of shaky. So yeah, so white horse, and let's 1,000 years, and that is really incredible. And there are over 200 breeds of different horses. Next, it's another brand new figure from 2017, and we have a bear right over here. This looks like a grizzly bear, a brand new one, as you guys can see. A fish. Awesome. Okay, let's take a look at the collector's card and see what type of bear this is. So basically we have a brown bear. Very cool. 20 kilograms to about 350 kilograms, and that is a really huge animal. Which is your favorite zoo animal, and which is your favorite sea animal? And if you guys want to let me know about your favorite dinosaur, let me know as well. From me, my favorite dinosaur is the T-Rex. Favorite sea animal, go with some dinosaurs very closely. So we have a playset that comes with 3 different dinosaurs, and this also comes with a nice diorama, a paper diorama, some volcano, pteranodons, triceratops, Futabrasaurus, Brachiosaurus, Stegosaurus, and very nice, awesome. Next one, I have a Mosasaurus. Okay, so that we don't have a hole right over here. It looks really weird to have a hole in the middle. Okay, the next one I'm going to show you guys will be some farm animals. This is from the farm animals series, but this is actually like, let's see, take a look at these 2 little dogs. Do you have any dogs at home? I have a Shih Tzu. He has been with me for over 12 years. It's a very cute dog. And this is a mini Dachshund. Okay, very cute. Looks like a sausage dog. I love dogs. They are really lovely animals. Okay, so remember to let me know whether you have any dogs at home. That will be cool. And over here I have an Indian rhinoceros. This is actually very different from the white rhinoceros. An Indian rhinoceros has like more crumpled skin on his body, which is really cute. Let's take a look at some facts of this Indian rhino, shall we? Very nice figure of an Indian rhino. So they live in the wetlands full of grasses, and they like to bathe. The height, wow, that. So we have an Indian rhino right over here. Can basically move the head, but not much. Oh, you can actually rotate it 360 degrees, so that is pretty incredible. You can't move the legs, that is fine. Very nice Indian rhino right over here. Next, let me see. I'm gonna show you guys this one right over here, which looks brilliant. It produced some roars, and this is an electronic figure. So we have a lion right over here. So basically you can switch it on. There's an on and off button below. Push it to the top and you can move its jaw. The raw is right over here. So you guys can see I have prepared actually 3 more different lions. So basically these are all the lion figures from Takara Tomy. I thought that you might like to see them. So we have this black lion, which is an exclusive figure from the Dino Adventure playset, which is really awesome. A black lion. And over here I have a white different lions. So basically these are all the lion figures from Takara Tomy. I thought that you might like to see them. So we have this black lion, which is an exclusive figure from the Dino Adventure playset, which is white lion. But take a look at them, they are actually very different. As you guys can see, the left leg pretty much similar. Paw prints are different in colors. Very cool. So we have 5 lions. Next, what is this? A nice reindeer. Awesome. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. But we have a brown reindeer over here. Very nice. Awesome stuff. Place them right over here. And let's take a look at the Sea Animals playset, which looks fantastic. Okay, let's take a look at arms with a nice diorama as well. This is like a sea aquarium with some penguins and some dolphins below. Now place it right back. Okay, let me get the horse out and place this in, shall we? Okay, also known as a killer orca first. Move its tail, 2 points of articulation right over here. Can open and close the mouth. Very nice. Let me arrange this animal toys. And next, what's inside? Let's take a look at this dolphin right over here. What dolphin is this? Do you guys know? This is actually a bottlenose dolphin. There is another dolphin from Takara Tomy, which is the Pacific white-sided dolphin. Okay, so you can open and close the mouth, you can move the tail. Pretty cool. Dolphins, they are very, very intelligent animals and I love them. And hopefully I will be able to, get to touch one. I've never touched a dolphin before. Have you guys touched a dolphin before? Let me know in the comments. So we have a bucket right over here. So basically you can place the fish inside the bucket like this. It's like for feeding. Penguins. I've actually showed you guys the emperor penguins from the last episode. And over here I have a mackerel, can be found in Africa. Favorite type of penguin should be the emperor penguin. Life playset. And let's take a look at some other animals. We have a very well protected in China, treasured animals over there. Okay, and next I have a wolf with an Eskimo boy. Looks very, very nice and very cute. This is all very intelligent animals. They are very loyal as well. Oh boy, wow, it looks for the arms. That is fine, looks brilliant. Next, let's take a look at the lioness, shall we? So basically we have some African animals as well. So cute, this lion cub here. So we have really awesome stuff. Or rather a squirrel and a hedgehog. You can actually move this little head. That is pretty cute. How can we get this little squirrel out? Okay, so we have a little squirrel right over here. Take a look at those arms. So basically it is like holding this little nut right over here. Looks super cute. Okay, next, do you guys like squirrels? I think they are super cute. Next, we have another horse, which is also a special edition, but this is a 2016 model. And let's have a comparison with the white one, which we have seen previously, shall we? Are they similar? Let's take a look. They have a different paint, so which one do you like? Giraffe as well. It's a brand new baby giraffe. Next episode, I guess. Okay, let's move on. Huge carnivorous animals. I love. They're not white. That's pretty cool. Once can move. Okay, you're gonna place him. Eagle. Okay, so basically fish spewed from the net. Okay, so they like to eat fish. The stellar sea eagle, very nice, awesome. I almost said bear, but they are actually not bears, but they do look like bears. So you have the baby koala right over here, hugging tightly. Very cool. And you can place them on this little tree. This, I guess, is the eucalyptus tree. Awesome. Just a few more animals left. Next one, we have a spotted seal. Sea animals. And we have a pup right over here. Looks really cute as well. Let's move on to our next one, which is this really adorable cats. Do you guys like cats? I love cats. And let's take a look at them. They look super cute. So this one is like an animated version. This is like a more realistic one. Really cute. Both have like pink paws. Awesome stuff. Okay, the next animal will be another African animal. We have the chimpanzee. Chimpanzee, very intelligent animals. They're so human-like. Can move all the limbs. The legs and oh my goodness, one of the legs. We have another lion right. You can't move the head, but you can move this little jaw right. Oh, so let me show you guys. Let me know. That's cute. Yep. Leave me a comment for other videos